Hoto is a traditional noodle dish from Yamanashi, Japan. Flat handmade noodles are cooked directly in miso soup with vegetables. People in the mountains of Yamanashi have enjoyed Hoto for hundreds of years. It was a warm home-cooked meal shared with family and friends around one pot. Unlike regular udon, Hoto noodles are not boiled first. The noodles cook inside the soup, making it rich and flavorful. There is also a famous story that the samurai leader Takeda Shingen ate Hoto during wartime in Yamanashi's mountains. In Yamanashi, many people add Suridane, a spicy seasoning made with chili and sesame. Now let's make your own handmade Hoto. Slowly add water and mix the flour evenly. The dough should be soft but not sticky. As it mixes, the color will slowly become slightly yellow. Please do not add extra water by yourself. Gather the dough into one ball. Use the palm of your hand and push the dough forward firmly. Kneading gives Hoto noodles their chewy texture. Keep kneading until the surface becomes smooth. Finally, shape the dough into a round ball. Sprinkle cornstarch to prevent sticking. Roll the dough evenly to about 3 to 4 mm thick. Turn the dough occasionally so it does not stick to the board. If the dough sticks, add more cornstarch. Fold the dough to make cutting easier. Cut the noodles about 1.5 cm wide. Push the knife straight down while cutting. Check that each noodle is fully separated. Different shapes and sizes are part of handmade Hoto culture. Put the noodles into the boiling miso soup. Gently separate the noodles with chopsticks so they do not stick together. Cook for about 10 minutes. Please be careful as the soup may boil over. You can order extra toppings or drinks during cooking time. In Yamanashi, many people add Suridane, a traditional spicy seasoning. It is made with chili, sesame, Japanese pepper, and oil. Add a small amount first and enjoy the flavor change.